Ever felt like your job applications are just vanishing into a black hole? You know, when you're applying to dozens of jobs, tweaking your resume endlessly and getting nothing, no callbacks. You might have all the right experience, your resume probably has all the right keywords from the job description that you're interested in, but if you don't get an interview call, it's probably because you did not spend enough time on your cover letter. Today I'm going to share 5 power moves to craft a killer cover letter that will make hiring managers take notice. Hey everyone, welcome to Course Correct. We're diving into one of the most important aspects of job hunting today, crafting that perfect cover letter. Forget the usual boring formats, let's shake things up a little with the 5 power moves. And to help you understand what I'm talking about, I'm also going to show you a sample cover letter and talk about why this cover letter is different and why it ticks off all the right boxes with 5 power moves. First up, the hook. Start with a punch, don't just introduce yourself. Capture their attention right from the first sentence. And why is this so important? Think about it. Hiring managers go through dozens, sometimes even hundreds of cover letters. If you can grab their attention right away, you're already ahead of the game. For example, look at this sample cover letter. It starts with, "Dear hiring manager, when I saw XYZ company's campaign get the much deserved recognition, I knew I wanted to be part of your team." So you see how this doesn't start with the usual fluff of, "I am Dipti Nair, I have 9 years of experience in marketing and my specialization is so and so." See how this grabs attention? It shows enthusiasm and directly connects to the company's work. Your hook should be very specific and show you why you're excited about this role and this company. Power move number 2. Highlight your achievements. But remember, relevance is key. Don't just go on listing everything that you've ever learned in your entire life. Focus on what really matters to this particular job. You want to show them that not only have you done great things in the past, but you've done things that are directly applicable to what they need. This shows that you understand their goals and are ready to contribute right away. So for example, here it says, "At ABC organization, I led a team that increased our social media engagement by 150% and boosted conversion rates by 40% within 6 months. Using data-driven insights and creative strategies, we not only transformed our online presence but also exceeded our quarterly goals." Notice how this directly ties into what a marketing manager would be expected to achieve. Numbers and data are compelling, but only if they align with the job's needs. So instead of listing all your achievements, pick the ones that are most relevant to the one that you're applying for. Power move number 3. Let's talk about soft skills. Again, instead of just listing them, weave them into a story that demonstrates your capabilities to evoke an emotion. This is a chance to show, not just tell, why you're a great fit for the team. So for example, here there is this section that says, "My passion lies in building stories that resonate with audiences. The X campaign I led, collaborating with a diverse team on a cross-channel campaign, taught me empathy, adaptability, and the importance of strategic thinking. I'm eager to bring this experience to XYZ company where I can contribute to your pioneering initiatives." So you see how this section tells a story. It shows the soft skills like empathy and strategic thinking, but it's very engaging than just a bland list of stating that I'm a strategic thinker, I can be creative, and so on. So you weave it into a story, and that just makes it so much more engaging. Power move number 4. A compelling call to action. Express confidence and enthusiasm towards the end of your cover letter to show that you are a great fit for this organization, but make sure while doing so, you don't sound cocky. So for example here, in the last paragraph, it closes with, "I'm confident that after reviewing my resume, you'll see that our professional synergies align perfectly. I'm enthusiastic about the opportunity to collaborate with your team and drive forward XYZ company's vision." So you see how I'm literally saying that after reviewing my resume, I am fairly confident that you will realize that our professional synergies match. It shows confidence without acting too smart. So that's the kind of balance you want to strike. And you see how this is not being used as just a recap of everything I've said before this. It's a confident close that leaves the hiring manager wanting to know more. You've almost given them that push to actually go ahead and check the resume. Power move number 5. Finally, creative formatting. Make sure you're using a lot of white space, bullet points where necessary, and a very clean design to make your cover letter visually appealing and easy to read. A cluttered cover letter can be very off-putting. Clean, well-structured formatting makes it inviting to read and highlights your professionalism. Take a look at these 2 different types of cover letter. You see how one has so much white space, it looks so well formatted, while the other one just looks like a dump of information. And that's exactly what you want to steer away from. So those are the 5 power moves to get you started on creating an amazing cover letter that will actually act like an interview magnet. And here's an additional unexpected tip. Don't be afraid to show some personality. Cleverness and wit can make you memorable. But if that's not your thing, simply show excitement and passion for your craft. For example, you see how I started that cover letter by mentioning how inspired I was with their viral campaign? Or you can even use an interesting fact about your own professional journey that can do the trick. But essentially, show how passionate you are, that you took the trouble of doing like a deep dive, or you are talking about how you did something professionally that aligns perfectly with what they are looking for. So, there you have it, 5 power moves to make your cover letter stand out. Don't forget to add a touch of your personality and let your unique voice shine through. If you want to know how to get ChatGPT to write amazing cover letters for you with step-by-step prompts to make it happen, just check the description. I've linked a blog that talks about how to get ChatGPT to make a great cover letter for you. If you found this useful, please like the video and hit the bell icon and subscribe to more of our videos. Good luck and go get that interview.